Well, welcome to the DXA YouTube channel. Today we're going to be discussing pre-sales. If you're an OG, an investor, or a newbie in the cryptocurrency markets, understanding pre-sales can unlock some exciting possibilities and opportunities. Pre-sales are essentially access funding rounds for crypto tokens and, of course, the project. They allow these projects to raise capital before launching their token publicly on exchanges. Investors who participate get tokens on a discounted price compared to the public price. This can be a great way to potentially score big profits and yes, go to the moon. The question always is, how do we actually find these projects? Because it's not really easy to find them and you don't know what's going to be the next 50x or 100x. The way to find these projects is through social media or projects website. You have to be a believer to actually invest in one. Many projects will announce the project details and the pre-sales on the social media handle. Launchpads and incubators are another way to find them out. Just like the Excel, you can find a lot of projects there and participate in them too. Crypto news and research science. That is very essential. You always have to do your own research so you can realize whether this project is for you or it's not. Once you found the right project, it's very important to understand the process. Number one thing is you've done your research about the project, which is very crucial in understanding exactly what the project does. Get the pre-sale details. That is very important too. Sometimes you might just get too excited and miss the underlying issues. Connect your wallet. That is very important. After you connect your wallet, you're good to go. Yes, it's nice to actually make that 50x and 100x, but you could also get that. So let's look at the safety concerns. The number one issue is pre-sales can be really risky. They're not for everyone, so be precautious while participating in the pre-sale. Beware of scams. There are a lot of fake projects. Might just tell you that we're gonna go to the moon, but you might just land upside down and you're gonna be that. Don't chase unrealistic gains. 50x, 100x, 1000x might work for some people, but it's not for everyone. And yes, most importantly, don't share your wallet secrets because that is very risky and you could potentially lose all your funds. Is there a formula actually to get that 100x or 50x? The answer is no. Unfortunately, there's no formula to actually find the next big pre-sale. Tohowever, by doing thorough research, being interactive on social medias, and finding out whether this project is actually legitimate by looking at the tokenomics, the token distribution, and what is actually the utility behind the project. That is very important. And of course, you need to look into incubators, launchpads, just like us, DXA, whether these projects that have been launching on these launchpads have a very good track record because that could actually bring you the next big change. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you like this video. If you do, click the like button, subscribe to our channel and tune in for more exciting content.